Weather Service in Jackson has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for eastern Caprio County in central Mississippi. This includes the cities of Hazelhurst, Crystal Springs, Central Hinds County in central Mississippi. This includes the city of Byram, southern Rankin County in central Mississippi. This includes the city of Star, Simpson County in central Mississippi. This includes the cities of Pinola, Mendenhall, Lottie until 2:45 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 1:52 p.m. Central Daylight Time, National Weather Service meteorologists detected a severe...
No tornado warning has been issued. There could have been a possible tornado go over the reservoir. Possible spin-up tornado. Getting 30, 40 mile per hour winds here. Getting pretty good here. 35. Here we go. Highest was 36 just then. Looking at it on radar here. It's really starting to pick up now. Facing into the wind right now. Again, a possible tornado reported over the reservoir. Could have been Scud. Again, winds are really picking up right now. Come to a stop here at this red light. I'm trying to stop right before it, just in case those lines come down. Oh, yeah, I can't let the window down. I mean, the vehicle is rocking, man.